So there are two types of strategy to load the data. In Hibernate, one is lazy loading and another one is eager loading. In lazy loading, it loads associated entities on demand when user needs. And in eager loading, it loads associated entities immediately with the parent. And it always loads. We need to use eager loading when we need a data always. Then initialization time. When in lazy loading, at the time of first access to the relation, it loads the data, and that's why it requires lower memory. But in eager loading, at the time of entity loading, it loads all the data and initialize it. So it requires more memory. Then behavior of lazy loading. So its default by default loading type is page type is lazy loading, and then because lazy loading access the data at a time of when user need it. That's why it is more efficient, and it loads the data when it's needed. And in eager loading, it loads the data immediately. That's why it need more memory. Then how to actually define it while in coding. So for which field we need to fetch the data. So in that for that field we have to use annotation like any relationship annotation, like one to many, many to one, many to many. Then we need to define the